gonna try making tomato egg in 8 minutes. What time is it? Alright, it's 1:43 right now. You don't have to use chopsticks or forks to flick the egg. You can just use a mason jar. And maybe you could add some sugar and salt. Just shake it up. Pro tip, you should prepare your ginger. You should prepare a lot of them so you can just take them out. Now it's slowing me down. That's okay. Any shape is fine. You can even leave the skin on. Alright, let's go back to this pan. While you wait for the pan to heat, you can do your dishes. Oil. Hot. My splash. While you wait for the ginger to get fragrant, you wash the dishes. Now you can put in the tomato. You open up this jar that you just used. Put on a little bit of to give the tomato a little bit sour taste. And shake this up. Too much. Oops. Alright, let's check this out. Let's pour in this mixture that you made just a while ago. Now it's 2 o'clock. It's a little bit over time, but here's my tomato egg.